Have you ever wondered how intelligent a creature that lives beneath the ocean's surface can be, particularly the orca whales? Dive with me into the depths of the ocean, where we'll meet the orca whales, also known as killer whales. These are not your average marine dwellers. They are the largest of the dolphin family and are recognized by their distinctive black and white coloring. Orca whales inhabit every ocean on our planet, from the chilly Arctic and Antarctic regions to tropical seas. This is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. These creatures are truly a marvel of nature, with males reaching lengths of up to 26 feet and weighing up to 6 tons. Females, although smaller, are just as formidable. Their size is not just for show. It allows them to thrive in the vast and sometimes harsh ocean environment. Imagine the strength needed to propel such a massive body through the water at speeds of up to 34 miles per hour. That's faster than most speedboats. But orcas are not just brawny. They are equipped with physical attributes that make them uniquely adapted to their environment. Their large dorsal fins, which can reach up to 6 feet in height in males, help with balance and temperature regulation. They also have incredibly powerful tail flukes, allowing them to leap out of the water in a behavior known as breaching. Now let's talk about their intelligence. Orcas have the second largest brain of any marine mammal. This brain power is reflected in their complex social structures, comparable to that of higher primates and even humans. They communicate through a series of clicks, whistles, and body movements, each pod having its own distinct dialect. What's more, they exhibit problem-solving skills and the ability to learn from observation, traits associated with high intelligence. So, when we speak of the orca whale, we are talking about a creature that is not just physically impressive, but mentally as well. Did you know orcas have been observed to exhibit behaviors that suggest a high level of cognitive ability? Let's dive into some of these intriguing behaviors. Firstly, their complex hunting strategies. Orcas have been known to coordinate and work in groups, much like a pack of wolves. They can devise intricate plans and communicate effectively to execute these strategies. For instance, some pods have been observed creating waves to wash seals off ice floes. This level of strategic planning and teamwork is indicative of a keen intelligence, not unlike our own. But their intelligence doesn't stop at hunting. Orcas have an astounding ability to imitate sounds, a skill that speaks volumes about their cognitive abilities. They have been known to mimic the sounds of other marine animals, and even human speech. This ability to learn and reproduce new sounds is a form of communication, which is considered a hallmark of high intelligence in the animal kingdom. Now let's talk about their social structure. Orcas live in highly structured matrilineal pods, or family groups, led by older females. They have complex social structures and relationships, with different pods even having distinct dialects. This suggests that orcas have cultural traditions, a trait usually associated with humans and primates. In fact, the social structure of orcas is so complex that it rivals that of elephants and higher primates. Each pod has its own unique set of behaviors and traditions, passed down through generations. This is yet another fascinating display of their intelligence and adaptability. So what does all this mean? Well, it means that orcas are not just efficient hunters, but also social and cultural beings. Their behaviors are not rooted in simple instinct, but are influenced by learning, problem-solving, and perhaps even a sense of tradition. These behaviors are not just random, but are a testament to the intelligence and problem-solving skills of these incredible creatures. With each wave they create and each sound they mimic, orcas continue to amaze us with their intelligence and complexity, reminding us of the intricate world beneath the ocean's surface. What is it about the orca's brain that sets them apart from other marine creatures, you might ask? Well, let's dive a little deeper into the fascinating world of their cognitive abilities. The orca, or as many commonly refer to it, the killer whale, possesses a brain that is simply astounding and in many ways unparalleled in the marine world. We're talking about a brain that is over 5 times the size of a human brain. But it's not just about the size, it's the intricate structure and complexity of the orca's brain that truly sets them apart. As with humans, a considerable portion of the orca's brain is dedicated to the neocortex. This area is responsible for higher-order thinking, problem-solving, and conscious thought, as well as social communication. So it's no surprise that these marine giants exhibit intricate social structures and behaviors. They're not just fish in the sea. They're thinkers, strategists, and communicators. Moreover, the limbic system of an orca, an area associated with emotions, is incredibly advanced. Some parts of it are even more developed than in human brains. This suggests not only a high level of emotional intelligence, but also the possibility of complex emotional experiences. The orca's brain also has an abundance of spindle neurons. These are associated with social cognition, rapid decision-making, and the processing of emotions. Interestingly, spindle neurons are found in large quantities only in humans, great apes, and a few other species known for their advanced social structures. These physical characteristics of the orca's brain provide them with a remarkable cognitive toolkit. They're capable of advanced problem-solving, strategic hunting techniques, intricate social behaviors, and perhaps even empathy. All of these contribute to the orca's ability to adapt and thrive in the vast and diverse ocean environment. It's not just about the size, but the complexity of their brain that truly showcases their intelligence. The orca's brain is a testament to the incredible adaptability and intelligence of these marine titans. It's a marvel of evolution and a testament to the intricate, interconnected world beneath the ocean's surface. How do orcas use their intelligence in their daily lives? This is a question that continues to fascinate scientists and marine enthusiasts alike. Let's dive into some real-life examples that showcase the remarkable intellect of these oceanic giants. One of the most striking displays of orca intelligence is their coordinated hunting strategies. When hunting for seals on ice floes, for instance, orcas have been observed creating waves to wash their prey into the water. This isn't a random act of nature, but a calculated move. The orcas work together, timing their approach and the creation of the wave with precision. This level of coordination requires not just intelligence, but also an intricate level of communication and cooperation. But that's not all. Orcas also exhibit an impressive capacity for long-term memory. They remember their family members, their friends, and even their enemies, retaining these memories over many years. It's this capacity that allows them to maintain complex social structures, which are comparable to those of primates. Communication, too, plays a vital role in orca intelligence. These marine mammals use a sophisticated system of sounds for communication, including clicks, whistles, and pulsed calls. Each pod of orcas has its own unique dialect, a sort of linguistic fingerprint that distinguishes one group from another. This ability to communicate complex information is yet another testament to their intelligence. Moreover, orcas are capable of teaching and learning from one another. They pass down hunting techniques and cultural traditions from generation to generation. This cultural transmission is a sign of what scientists call social learning, a hallmark of advanced cognitive abilities. These are just a few examples of how orcas use their intelligence in their daily lives. From their coordinated hunting strategies and long-term memory to their complex communication systems and ability to learn socially, orcas are truly the intellectuals of the ocean. These examples illustrate just how orcas use their intelligence to survive and thrive in their environment. Why is understanding and preserving the orca's intelligence so crucial? Orcas, also known as killer whales, are not just fascinating creatures of the deep. They are also key players in the marine ecosystem. As top predators, they regulate the population of other marine life, maintaining a balance that allows biodiversity to flourish. Their role is so significant that any disruption to their population can send ripples throughout the entire ecosystem. Right now, orca whales are facing a barrage of threats from various fronts. Climate change is altering their habitats, while pollution is contaminating their food sources. Overfishing is depleting their prey, and noise pollution from ships is disrupting their communication and navigation. These challenges are causing a decline in orca populations, which in turn threatens the health of our oceans. Understanding the intelligence of orcas is a crucial part of tackling these issues. Their complex behaviors, social structures, and problem-solving abilities are all indicators of their adaptability. Recognizing this adaptability can help us devise more effective conservation strategies. For instance, by understanding how orcas communicate and navigate, we can mitigate the impact of noise pollution on their population. Moreover, the intelligence of orcas makes them more susceptible to stress and trauma from human activities. They are capable of deep emotional bonds and long-term memory, meaning that they can suffer deeply when separated from their pods or when their habitats are destroyed. By acknowledging their intelligence, we can push for more humane practices in industries that interact with these majestic creatures. Finally, preserving the intelligence of orcas is not just about them. It's about us too. Orcas are a mirror to our humanity, reflecting our capacity for empathy, cooperation, and innovation. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all life and the responsibility we carry as stewards of this planet. By appreciating the intelligence and unique behaviors of orca whales, we can better understand their needs and work towards their preservation.